Welcome to the Omixon workshop on novel allele discovery. I'm going to introduce you to the software component, and then you're actually going to get to work independently. You have a worksheet in front of you. You're going to basically answer all the questions that we have and follow all of the instructions that we have, but you can work your way through all of the instructions, answering the questions as you go.
We are going to be showing you how, when a sample with a novel allele, when it was analyzed with the database, the IMGT database version 3.10, a novel allele was detected. I'm going to show you how you can export that consensus sequence in order to submit it to the database.
A bit more about the traffic light system. So you can see that each result basically comes with two traffic lights. The first one shows the concordance between the algorithms. Basically, the two algorithms agree. We have a green traffic light. If the result is concordant up to the second field, then you will have a yellow traffic light. And if it's concordant up to just the first field, then you will have this red-yellow combination.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you very much for your presence at the Omixon Symposium. We like to have a little bit of fun. So I would like to introduce you an Omixon production, a video, The Holotype Goes Global. So coming back to the serious stuff, the schedule for today is a little bit of introduction for the Holotype HLA. Holotype HLA is the combination of assay and software to leverage the power of next-generation sequencing for HLA typing. The assay is licensed from the Children's Hospital of Philadelphia under the supervision of Dr. Dimitri Monos. And the software, very unique of its kind, has been the result of the expertise of the Omixon team during the years. 253 samples for our validation study at Children's Hospital in Philadelphia, 16 samples in 6 different labs in duplicate for the blind alpha study, over 1,000 samples in clinical routine at Children's Hospital in Philadelphia, 200 samples for the product evaluation study, and over 1,500 samples, and still increasing, in our worldwide early access program, 25 labs and in 3 different continents. To talk about a little bit more in details about the early access program, please welcome our CEO team, Egg.
The goals of the early access program, why are we running this? The main one is reproducibility. So this kit actually works already. It's in clinical production right now at the Children's Hospital of Philadelphia. And what we wanted to demonstrate during the early access program is that it doesn't just work at CHOP, it works in the hands of everybody else as well, and that's the primary goal of this particular process.
The first result I wanted to present is the concordance with our previous results. Every sample has already been typed with other typing methods such as Luminex, such as PCR. So here I will talk about only the second field typing.
When last year we learned that Omixon had the license to this assay, and they first talked to us about the early access program, we really wanted to be a part of this.
It's really easy to implement in a lab without prior knowledge of NGS, and you don't really need much equipment.
Yeah, I'd just like to thank all of our guest speakers again. Thank you very much for standing up and talking about your experiences. The results that we're presenting today are all for 5 locus data, because that's where we started. We will be presenting some 7 locus data later on this year at the ASHI conference. The numbers in the brackets are novel alleles that are novel in the exonic regions. So we haven't counted up any intronic novelty here. Our assay and the software provide fourth field results for everything, so we have full intronic results. In this case, we've only counted up exonic novels. The ones with the stars, these represent alleles where we believe that the known typing done via SSO or SPT is actually incorrect, and the NGS has the correct typing result.
It's a necessity because the IMGD data will be 2 patterns of SNPs at either end.
Is this already in the kit? Okay.
Yeah. But it was mistyped.
Yeah. Okay.
Thank you very much, and we hope you enjoyed the symposium, and we will see you at the booth number 4.
Marcello,